In this video, we are going to see that if you have given a prompt to ChatGPT to generate an image of anything and it shows you any kind of error or it doesn't generate any image altogether, here's a quick fix on how we can easily remove or get rid of that error. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, sometimes what happens is the ChatGPT generates the image, but it doesn't show it in the chats. So instead, it is created, but you need to see it separately in the images section. For that, you click on more and you click on images. And from here, you can see all of your images that is created here. So you have this My Images section down here somewhere, and you should be able to see it here. So just wait for it to load and then it should show you your images right here. You might need to refresh it one time and then you should see your images here. But if it doesn't show it here, it's actually the problem of generating the image. So for that, you need to check the settings. You will head over to the bottom left-hand corner where you see your profile icon, click on that. And from here, we will choose settings. And once we are in the settings, we click on personalization, and from here we get the option of memory. Click on manage memory, and from here you will see different memories saved. You can delete them one by one by clicking on the three dot next to each one of them. But if you want to delete all the memories, to reset it, you click on delete all memories, click on delete all. Make sure to read through all of this, and this will reset the memory of ChatGPT. And try it again. Hopefully it should work, but if it is still not working, make sure to check that if your internet is working properly. Just try to access any popular website like YouTube or any website that requires more of your internet. Sometimes YouTube works, but other website doesn't. So just try accessing different websites, see if that is working for you. Otherwise, just try to switch the network to some other popular network. And also, just make sure the date and time is synced properly, because if it is not synced properly, it doesn't align with the current date and time, it will not show the results properly and you might see the error because of that. Also, what you need to make sure is you're not connected to any VPN. So if you are connected to any VPN, you need to disable that and just try it after that, and hopefully it should work perfectly fine and you should be able to resolve that error. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.